for dry skin because I have really dry skin. I'm like a reptile. Super cool. I love this one. Ouch. I just locked it around my thumb and like yanked it. Oh yeah, we're in Budapest. I just got ready and made friends with the receptionist people. They're like, oh my god, my eyelash is lifting. They didn't say that, I said that just now. What the fuck? And I finally bought a brush, so I finally got to brush my hair. And yesterday was ridiculous. We missed our train. And then we slipped through a crack and the guy let us switch trains. Thank you, dude. It's fun here. I already like it. This is the place I'm most excited for, and I feel like there's a reason. Like I just said, and the fucking sun is coming out. Oh my god.
So, as soon as you exit the hostel, you're greeted with this.
And that's where our old lady neighbor is, who gives us small bananas.
We like her. She comes in and talks to us.
Cool. So last night there's an elevator. We walked up the stairs. It's like you're playing, I don't know, any horror survival game.
Like any
ever.
old
like
Resident Evil.
The stairs and like something's gonna step out and get you and drag you into the depths of hell.
Yeah, the camera just went dark.
Yeah, because it's so dark.
Yep. We in here.
Ugh. So cool. Yeah, it's heavy landing too. And this is the entrance.
Yeah.
This is also super creepy.
This is Budapest.
Hustle bustle of the city.
Manly.
Manly. Mine's manly too.
Mine's hot. I like those noodles. That's a lot of cheese.
Hell yeah, she knew.
She knew we were American.
Budapest is amazing. I love it very much, like I thought I would.
I haven't even seen it.
Haven't even seen it, but I already know I love it.
Been in the hostel.
We've been in the hostel all day. It's so cool, and everything is a restaurant.
And an arcade.
And an arcade. And an arcade. Oh my god.
Big arcade.
That's really cool. All the arcades we have are dead. And now we're going to go get a chimney cake. I'm feeling it. I like it.
Sure, a whole 1,000, 5,000.
Hey.
It's like $30.
I know. I got a $10,000 bill. Oh my god. Look at that shit.
That's a lot of fucking shirt. Oh my god. Ow.
It kind of looks like a fleshlight. I knew I was gonna love this place. We just turned the corner and we're walking down the street from the paprika place, which has like the best honey ever and like the nicest people, and this is what we turned to. Crazy bangs and like the most beautiful scenery ever. There's Chain Bridge and that castle, no, it's church, and then like Parliament or something, the Citadella. Yeah, that's Buda. Look at that. It's all lit up. There's the Chain Bridge.
Stay in Pesh so you can see
Buda.
Buda.
Like that is just so. I think I scared people when I turned the corner because I was like, ah, 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 you know, like freaking out. I don't know what that is, but it looks super cool. I don't know. It's day one in Budapest. Fucking awesome. I already love this place. Oh my god. Look at these bangs. Are you recording me do this?
With the castle in the background or whatever.
My bangs are pulling straight up, so I had and you keep taking the mirror away.
If you guys live in the States and you guys seen this, let us know. That's why we got it, because we haven't seen it. Shit. That's good.
Let me pull your shirt down, because your butt crack is showing. Isn't it so pretty?
So when you come to Budapest, you run into no one other than Ronald Reagan.
Ronald Reagan.
Double R, baby. Oh, he moved.
Ah, okay.
Back at the oh.
That's a creepy gonna fucking murder you.
Yeah.
Elevator stairways, but we didn't know there was an elevator. Come on. Building's like what, 130 years old?
Yeah, 120.
Stupid. It's not stupid, it's cool, but like, also very scary.
Super cool.